Hi there, my name is Andres and I'm gonna start a new YouTube channel. Yeah, that's right, it's gonna be a new YouTube channel. You might be wondering why another guy creating a channel out there. There's just so many. But one of the main things that I would like to actually create it for is because I would like to start something. That's something I've been thinking about, just starting something on businesses, or basically I have that entrepreneurship mindset, and for a while I've been thinking about doing something. And one of the things that came across to my mind was starting a YouTube channel. And another reason why I wanted to start this is because I would like to give the chance to actually doing something, giving back for the community, for this amazing software development community that has taught me a lot and has given me a lot as well. So I would like to give back to them by teaching them newest out there, especially, and sharing my experiences, sharing tips, recommendations, what to do, what to not do, everything that probably a lot of news, my doubts and questions that a lot of news out there may have. But also, I would like to be able to share knowledge with other experts in the field as well, and getting as much feedback to people out there to get the most, or to the best or better every time they start putting their hats on as a developer, as a coder in their careers. So what's this YouTube channel gonna be about? It's probably gonna be about teaching, as I said. It's gonna be about teaching virtual reality, augmented reality type of development. Why did I pick this specific type of development? There are several reasons. The first one is because that's what I enjoy. It seems something pretty cool, something pretty cool to see something that you can kind of like see through a camera or through a VR headset, and having the opportunity to experience that. I just think it's an interesting technology. Two is as well that I believe that this technology is gonna be the boom. It's becoming. It's already something that is a lot of companies out there are embracing, and even though it's not as fast as other technologies like probably AI, I believe that at some point a lot of companies are gonna need people, developers on this field. So that's another thing. And also another reason is because once again I just would like to give back to the community, to share from my experiences, from what I've learned so far. That's just, I think that's the best way to give back, just by teaching them, or by teaching other people how to, or what not to do, and things like that. My main core, or my main skill sets are focused on full stack software development, especially on the web development type of things, and as well as developing mobile hybrid applications. However, I'll do my best to give you quality content when it comes to development VR on AR type of courses out there. I got this Oculus Quest. Thank you for my beautiful girlfriend. I got it for Christmas, so probably I'll be playing around and delivering a lot of content with this, and a lot of tutorials. I'm planning to use Unity for this type of development, so hopefully it will be a good experience for you to learn in the process. I'm gonna learn the same way as you will be learning as well from the content I will be delivering, and the things that you should probably do, you should not do while starting this whole process. So anyway, I just wanted to say hi there and see that how things gonna go in this YouTube channel. So hopefully I can get to see you there in the future.